Helicopter tree trimming. This unique technology of helicopter tree trimming seems almost fantastic. However, it's something real. To carry out this process, a special circular saw blade consisting of 10 whirling steel blades fixed one below the other is used. This device is powered by a common diesel engine. When the saw blade is lifted up in the air, the helicopter flies in a straight line, cutting off the tree branches. Doing this job requires high accuracy in every movement to control both the helicopter and the cutting device. This tree trimming method is mainly used near power lines to avoid contact of branches with cables and subsequent accidents. Amazon Prime Air. The company Amazon began to use small drones to deliver small purchases to customers in the UK in 2016. This is considered a major breakthrough in drone use. So far, these drones deliver in half an hour. Purchases weighing up to 2.3 kilograms, Amazon's standard flying delivery service consists of an 8-propeller helicopter and a computerized control system that is fitted to the top center of the drone frame. The highest altitude that these Amazon's drones can fly is 120 meters. They can reach a speed of 80 kilometers an hour. Their design and features continue to improve though. Amazon is also developing a drone tower, a beehive-like structure from where the drones will fly with the orders and then return. WAYMO. This company, which is a subsidiary of Alphabet Incorporated, specializes in the development of self-driving technologies. WAYMO Systems uses information collected by Google Street View services. The car is fitted with a video camera, a LiDAR sensor on the roof, a radar in the front, and a sensor on one of its rear wheels that helps to determine its position on the map. It's worth noting that WAYMO has also some devices to detect flashing lights in emergency vehicles. One of these autonomous cars with no steering wheel or pedals was unveiled at the end of May in 2014. To date, WAYMO cars have exceeded more than 8 million kilometers during testing on public roads. Some disadvantages of these vehicles may result from difficult parking, as they cannot recognize urban waste either, and can't go under heavy rainfall or in snowy terrain. The company is planning to launch a definite WAYMO model by 2020. APIS Core. Construction has always been a complex and time-consuming process. However, as technology advances, this activity has changed. One of the most popular activities on the market nowadays is the construction of new buildings by using 3D printing machines. Something new about the construction industry is to use a mobile printer. The APIS Core 3D mobile printer can print while remaining inside of the building under construction. It's a rotating manipulator arm that is capable of covering the area of 32 square meters from a single point. This unit is small, easy to transport, and does not require a long preliminary preparation before construction. Its installation and setup takes no more than 30 minutes. It has compact dimensions of 4 by 1.6 by 1.5 meters. This innovative machine weighs 2 tons, allowing the use of standard special equipment to transport it. Another distinctive feature about this unit is that only 2 trained workers are needed to fully control the entire process, including the material supply. For the printer to construct the building, fiber concrete, a kind of cement concrete, is used. The mixture is supplied in preset doses and with precise timing, layer by layer, reducing the possibility of construction waste to zero. DANYANG KUNSHAN Grand Bridge. This incredible structure is part of the Beijing-Shanghai High-Speed Railway. The DANYANG KUNSHAN Grand Bridge is considered the longest bridge in the world, and because of that, it holds the Guinness World Record. Its length is 164.8 kilometers. There is a 9-kilometer long section over open water across Yangchang Lake in Suzhou. This long viaduct is located in eastern China between the cities of Nanjing and Shanghai. Its construction started in 2008, and despite the amount of work, The bridge was opened in 2011. More than 10,000 people were employed for the construction. The most advanced technology was used, and the work was carried out simultaneously on both cities. To build this bridge, 2.5 million cubic meters of concrete and 500,000 tons of steel were spent. Its final cost, according to various estimates, ranges from $8 to $10.5 billion. Tesla. This American company Tesla, which is famous worldwide for manufacturing electric vehicles, was founded in the year 2003. This company was given its name after the father of electrical engineering, the physicist Nikola Tesla. So far, the company Tesla has successfully produced 4 models of electric passenger cars: the Roadster, Model S, Model X, and Model 3. Additionally, the company unveiled the safest, most comfortable electric truck ever, the Tesla Semi, on November 16, 2017. This truck will be launched in 2019. According to Tesla creators, electric cars must completely replace the internal combustion engine to create an entirely sustainable energy ecosystem. Despite significant deficiencies in some cars, criticism and loss of production, the company continues to operate and has announced the launching of new electric car models. KUKA Robotics. KUKA Robotics is one of the leading suppliers and manufacturers of industrial robots, as it's a specialist in the robotics and automation technology field. The company offers a broad range of industrial robots covering all common payload categories. These robots help to improve the product quality, reduce material costs, and save energy. A unique skill for KUKA's robots is their capacity to interact with humans both as partners and assistants. This allows small and medium-sized companies to use them for saving some money. It's also worth noting that every robot is provided with a cutting-edge software and innovative controllers to give precision to their movements. This, of course, allows them to perform some tasks that require certain gentle skills. Limb Pulse. The Scottish company Touch Bionics is a leader in the development of high-tech prosthetics. This was also the first company to commercially manufacture bionic prosthetics for upper limbs. More than 1,200 patients worldwide use limb products at present. This company has developed a new product, the limb Pulse. According to what the company developers say, this new product is an all-new version of the first model, the limb Hand. It allows to perform more subtle movements, such as tying shoelaces and doing up a belt. This prosthetic uses patented pulsing technology to move its bionic fingers, which provides increasing and controllable grip strength. When the limb Pulse closes on an object, the user has the option to use the pulsing feature to apply significant additional grip force, allowing the device to grasp an object more tightly. These high-frequency electronic pulses are very important in everyday life as they enable precise and decisive movements. With an aluminum chassis, the limb Pulse's robust design features make it Touch Bionics' toughest prosthetic device yet, capable of carrying a load of up to 90 kilograms. In addition, this prosthetic uses a Bluetooth interface, which allows the selection of individual settings for each user.